Hi everybody, my name is Anita. I'm a junior here at Monmouth and I'm the current chapter president of Pi Beta Phi. I'm here to give you a house tour. Let's go! Come on in.
Hey, I'm Karen. I'm a senior. I'll show you my room. So this is a room that the sisters are pretty much used to just kind of hang out, watch a movie, play video games, whatever. And so it's just kind of a cozy sisterly room. Over on this wall, we have mainly our kind of history stuff since we are the Alpha chapter. We have all of our founders on here and a bunch of pictures and interesting facts all about our history here at the chapter.
Hi, I'm Lana. I'm a junior and I'm the VP of Community Relations. I'm going to show the rest of the lower floor in the house. So here we have our living room where we hang out a lot of the time. The kitchen's right there where you can just see our sisters cooking. We do homeworks over here, study, and over there on the bigger part of the living room we have our rewards, some certificates, some works that some of our sisters published. So just let's take another closer look and see exactly what I mean with all the stuff that I'm showing you. Over here, like I said, we have some certificates of recognition, we have some trophies, some of the books that, as I said before, some of our sisters published. Over here, same thing, just memories of how when the house was built. Over here are Greek camps trophies. Same thing again.
Hi Nina.
Hi. And here we do a lot of our meals. Thanks Nina for the apple. Yeah, so here's our microwave, our stove, our kitchen entirely where all of our sisters can just enjoy the beautiful kitchen and cook some meals together. So this is our dining room. Here we do have meals together, we do homework, and then in the breakfast nook is a nice little study spot if you kind of want to curl up and work on some homework. And now we're going to go upstairs and show you one of our rooms here at the house. So this is the purple room where we like to chill and relax and watch movies and everything like that. And this right here is a quilt that some of our previous sisters made. It's kind of cute.
Hello, come on in. Okay, well I'm Gracie, and this is my quad. I quad with Anita and Kaylee.
Hello, this is my room. This is my cat Melon. Come on in.
So this is what my room looks like.
This is my side. I have a lot of different squishmallows and stuffed animals. And then this is my roommate Kaylee's side. She also has a lot of squishmallows. Sometimes there's not enough space on our beds because we have so many of them. And then over here is the closet that we share. So we have my side and then Kaylee's side. This is our bathroom area. This is my sink that I share with Kaylee. And then we've got their side.
And then over here we have the shower. We have Lily in a nice sink right across from it. And then so this is our quad. So I grew with Lillian, and then this is her side. We each have a desk on here. Right above is our schedules. And then this is my bed, and of course we have our little kitchen. We have our fridges, coffee, you know, the essentials. And then over here is just our closet, you know, clothes, shoes, all of that. So that is our room.
So So along these walls, we have different composites, and there are different systems from our past years. Keep following me. Here's our wonderful elevator. Here's our beautiful laundry room. Here's our wonderful elevator. We're going to take it downstairs to the basement. So this is our basement. Nice and pretty. Over this way we have the craft room. It's a nice room that we can do our crafts, work with paint and glitter, just so we don't get it all over the other spaces in the house. So as you can tell, we do a lot of different crafts in here. These are some of our different Greek Week banners from previous years. And so it's a nice space to do some arts and crafts, get a little messy, and work on some art. So if you follow me this way, we have different kind of values along the walls. We have our mission and vision, and then we have some pictures from previous Pi Phi events and some of our history. And then in here is where all the greatness happens. This is our chapter room. So this is basically where we all come down together and have our weekly chapter meetings. We discuss different forms of business, and sometimes we use this room for sisterhoods. So we'll clear the chairs, put on a movie, kind of hang out together. So it's kind of our daily meeting space as a chapter.
Thanks for checking out, guys. We hope to see you very soon.